Hello friends, this video is created by Siddharth Upadhyay, founder and creator of PrepWings. Log on to www.prepwings.com for complete free course videos. Okay, in this video we'll cover the topic solids. So solids are three-dimensional objects. In this video we will be covering about cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, sphere and hemisphere. So cuboid is a rectangular 3D object and it has a length, breadth and height. Okay, it is shown below. Okay, so if you see, this is like a rectangular box. That is what a cuboid is in reality. So cuboid has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Okay. The volume of a cuboid is a measure of amount of material a cuboid can hold. In fact, that is true for any solid. The volume of any solid is the amount of material that the solid can hold. So for a cuboid of length L centimeter, breadth B centimeter and height H centimeter, volume is given as L into B into H centimeter cube. Okay. So if length is equal to 2 centimeter for a cuboid, breadth is 3 centimeter and height is 4 centimeter, the volume is given as 2 into 3 into 4 centimeter cube, which is 24 centimeter cube. Okay. Now total surface area of a cuboid is the sum of areas of the 6 surfaces of a cuboid. Okay. Now for a cuboid with length L centimeter, breadth B centimeter and height H centimeter, the surface area is given as 2 times L into B plus B into H plus L into H centimeter square. Okay. So for example, if length is 2 centimeter, breadth is 3 centimeter and height is 4 centimeter for a cuboid, then putting the values of L, B and H in the surface area formula, we get the surface area of the cuboid as 52 centimeter square. Okay. Diagonal of a cuboid is given as under root of L square plus B square plus H square. Okay. Now cube is actually a cuboid in which the length, breadth and height are all equal. Okay. So for example, in a cube, length will be a centimeter, so breadth will also be a centimeter and height will also be a centimeter. Okay. The formulas for volume, surface area and diagonal of cuboid will also apply to cube. Okay, but with length, breadth, height same. Okay. So for a cube of side A, volume is given as a cube, surface area is given as 6a square and diagonal is given as a into root 3. Okay. Now we'll look at cylinder. Cylinder is shown here. It has a radius r and height h. Okay. The cylinder has basically two kinds of surfaces. One is the curved surface and two flat surfaces. Okay, which are circles. Okay. Now over here the cylinder has radius r and height h. The volume of a cylinder with radius r and height h is given as pi r square h. Now as we have seen, the cylinder has two surfaces, a curved surface and a plain circular surface at the top and bottom. So curved surface area of a cylinder is given as 2 pi RH. Okay. And the total surface area will be equal to curved surface area plus area of the two circles. So it will be 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. So total surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. The diagonal of a cylinder is given as under root of 4r square plus h square. Now a cone is shown over here. A cone has a radius r, a height h and a slant height l. Okay, if you look at it, h, r and l form a right angle triangle. Okay, so we can say L square is equal to r square plus h square, where L is the slant height, r is the radius of the cone and h is the height of the cone. The volume of a cone is given by the formula pi r square h by 3. Okay. Now as in a cylinder, the cone has a curved surface area. So the curved surface area of cone is given as pi r l. Okay. And there is one flat surface at the end. The area of that is pi r square. So the total surface area of the cone will be the curved surface area plus area of the circular base. So that will be pi r l plus pi r square, which will be equal to pi r into r plus l. Now we look at sphere. Sphere is a three-dimensional circular solid. Okay, it only has curved surface area. The volume of a sphere is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube, and surface area is given as 4 pi r square, where r is the radius of the sphere. Okay. Now hemisphere, if we cut the sphere into two equal parts, we get two hemispheres. So hemisphere will be having half the volume as that of sphere. So sphere has a volume of 4 by 3 pi r cube. So hemisphere will have a volume of 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. Now curved surface area of hemisphere will also be half of that of the surface area of a sphere. So surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. So the curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Okay. Now the total surface area of a hemisphere will be equal to curved surface area plus area of the circular base, okay, in a hemisphere. So that will be 2 pi r square plus pi r square, which is equal to 3 pi r square. Okay. So this is about all the formulas relating to volume and surface areas of solids. Thanks a lot for watching this video.